Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of January 17th, 2025. My name is Justin, I am a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Clint, I'm kit production manager.
And this is a series where we go through the Friday newsletter and we show you guys that fabric in person. So without further ado, let us begin.
First thing we want to talk to you about this week is our Down on the Farm Friday bundle, curated from Studio E's Farmtastic Friends. This 8-piece bundle is priced at $29.96 and has patterns such as farms, roosters, cows, pigs, tractors, a patchwork print, as well as a wood grain texture in colors of red, blue, green, yellow, and tan. So if that sounds like fun for you, take a trip to the farm with this week's Friday bundle.
For you horse lovers out there, we have a group called Wild Horses from Riley Blake. This is featuring the Smoky Valley boxed quilt kits, the Wide Open Spaces quilt kits, and we also have the full collection yardage. By the way, this group is digitally printed. It is featuring 5 panels depicting these majestic horses in different scenes, such as a Smoky Valley, an open country, a storm on the prairie, as well as horses running and a cute pillow panel. So make sure to giddy up with Wild Horses.
Now we want to talk about Eclectic Elements Palette Red from Free Spirit. This collection is selling quickly, so definitely check it out fast. With this collection, we've got the Country Hearts quilt kits, reusable tote bags, as well as the full collection of yardage for that one, in patterns such as collages, stamps, tickets, maps, typography, numbers, ephemera, florals, and blenders. And the colors are red.
Woo!
So if that sounds good to you, paint the town red with Eclectic Elements Palette Red.
Next, we have a wild collection for you guys. It's actually called Wild One from Northcott. This features the center stage quilt kits as well as the full collection yardage, 24-inch growth panels, and 36-inch scenic panels. The patterns are cute wild animals such as giraffes, elephants, zebras, cheetahs, and hippos in colors of white, green, gray, orange, and rust. So make sure to tame your next project with a Wild One.
All right, now let's talk about Wildflowers from Moda. With this collection, we've got fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, jelly rolls, mini charm packs, as well as the full collection of yardage. This one features patterns such as fields of flowers, floral bouquet, blue bonnets, and daisies in colors of red, blue, pink, and green. So if you're looking forward to spring as much as we are, make sure to brighten your quilts with Wildflowers.
As always, we have a kit on sale. This is the Christmas Morning Quilt Kits from Henry Glass. The finished size is 54 inches by 66 inches. We have these originally on sale for $81.96, but they are on sale for $49.96, a huge deal you want to take advantage of. So make sure to unwrap savings with the Christmas Morning Quilt Kits.
Next up, we've got Lone Wolf from Northcott. With this collection, we've got the In the Wild quilt kits, Farmer's View quilt kits, 24-inch panels, a border print, as well as the full collection of yardage and patterns such as wolves, scenic prints, trees, stripes, bark textures, and twig textures in colors of blue, green, white, and gray. So make sure to take a walk on the wild side with Lone Wolf.
We've got new Via Rosa patterns for the months of December and January. As always, these are available as both PDFs as well as physical pattern cards. These patterns are $2 each. They include new patterns such as Exhibit, Sugar Cookies, Sorrento, Nina, Whiskers, Holiday Bauble, Snack Mat, Pink Piece, Yorkshire, Farm Fresh, Rui, Framed, and Snowfall. So make sure to create a masterpiece with these Via Rosa pattern cards.
And as always, we'd like to mention our bargains. This January, we've got new items added every single day. Could be remnants, kits, notions. You never really know what you're going to find in there, so check daily because we update daily.
Next, we have our comment of the week. As always, this is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. This week, we have a comment from Judy Keene once again, and she says, "Thanks for the Friday finds. Stay warm in this crazy weather. We live near Jacksboro, Texas, and we've had 4 inches of snow since yesterday at the time she wrote this comment. Not sure what Fort Worth looks like weather-wise. You two are doing a great job. First off, I just want to say thank you so much, Judy, for leaving a comment. We appreciate you watching, and we know you were on last week's comment of the week. As for the weather, first off, I'm not quite sure where Jacksboro, Texas is. Right after this, I'll go look at a map. As for Fort Worth, the snow didn't end up being that bad. We ended up leaving halfway through the day on Thursday when it started, and we didn't end up coming in on Friday until halfway through the day. It's always nice to get a little time off, and it's always lovely and beautiful outside, but I'm actually really glad the roads didn't end up being too bad. I do know, Clint, that we have some possibility of winter weather next week, as well as cold weather, so make sure to bundle up, stay warm, and make sure to stay safe out there. And if you would like to be featured on next week's comment of the week, definitely make sure to leave a comment, and we might pick you.
As always, we want to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and definitely ring that bell for notifications. Leave a comment, you might be featured for comment of the week. You can also follow us on social media. The links are all down in the description. We'll see you next week.
Bye!